Remember that video I promised you about printers? Well, here it is. Okay, first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to the looking glass at the bottom of your screen. You're going to type in the word printers. And when I do, I see where it says printers and scanners. I'm going to click on that. Now, it'll show me the printers that I have installed. If you're unable to print, what you're going to do is you're going to click on that printer and you're going to remove device. Now, if you are able to print and it's just jammed up on you, you can click Open Queue and it'll show you over here what is or is not printing. If something says that there's an error, you'll click on Printer and you can cancel that document and close it and try again. All right, so that is how we do that with the printers. Next, and you're going to delete the printers that start with BES, and it'll be, this is the room number closest to where the printer is, and 506 is the model number of the printer. So I'm going to delete those. Then I'm going to click on ClassLink, and I'm going to click on ClassLink, and I'm going to go to Teachers. Sorry, I'm going to go to Teacher Tools, which is going to be down here. I'm going to click on Unity, Install Printer, Gather Computer Information, and I'm going to find the printer that is closest to my room. Right here, this is what's closest to my room. I'm going to click on that one, and then I would go down and I would install printer. And that's it. It's that simple. It'll take about 20 minutes. It'll take about 20 minutes to install, so wait 20 minutes. Just leave the window open. You can minimize it, but do not close it. After about 20 minutes, you will shut your computer down. When you bring it back up, when you type printers in, it should be there. If it's not there, shut your computer down again and do a full power cycle. So leave it off for about 30 seconds before you turn it back on. If there's any issue, for example, if when you go to delete, it says that you need an administrator password, let me know and I'll come down and we'll do this together. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.